My name is Carlos Rodríguez. I'm the general manager for the Mexican location, and I've been working for EPS for almost 12 years. Currently, we're in 4 cities: Querétaro, Guadalajara, Chihuahua, Reynosa. We have sales offices in Monterrey, and we're in plan in 3 customers, basically in Guadalajara. The customers that are driving the most demand definitely are from the automotive industry. We still have some customers from white goods, industrial, and more customers from the medical industry. I see the biggest opportunities definitely still in the automotive industry. I see that we're getting into the secure provisioning. That's happening a lot. It's going to grow, and we are prepared for that. And we see a lot of potential in that. What really keeps customers coming back is the service, the quality, and the flexibility that we have.